the transition to sealless technology. So do you have particular customers that you've helped to transition to a sealless technology, and what were the reasons, primary reasons for those customers really to transition?
Just for reliability. We've got one customer that runs a lot of seals, but he's probably got 75 mag drive pumps, and really as long as you have the mag drive pump set up properly, where you're running on the curve and you've got the system designed properly, a lot of those pumps run. I mean, some of those are over 20 years old at this point.
Yeah.
Big proponent for putting some sort of system on there to make sure the sealless pumps don't run dry. We tend to use a lot of flow switches, and those seem to work out really well.
Yeah.
And as long as you have some sort of safeguard with the sealless pumps, you really don't have problems with them.
Okay.
They'll just run and run and run.
Yeah.